Holy friggin' smokes, boys. The other video we had planned for today, we're gonna do this one. I just got a package in the mail, boys. I'd show it to you, but my address, no, I can show it right there. Okay, I just got this package in the mail. I didn't know where it was from. It wasn't like part of my tracking history, nothing. It wasn't from me. Nobody said they were sending it, so I opened it. You know what I mean? That's generally what you do when you get a new package that you don't know what it is. So it got me a little nervous. You know, you guys have got my address before and sent me like a lot of really crappy things, and crap being one of them. So I opened it up, boys. It has taken all the strength to not open this up until I filmed the video. I actually wasn't about to film yet. Boys, this better be f***ing real first off. We got a package from SteveWillDoIt, it says, and it's got some Chinese, I don't know what the hell that is. SteveWillDoIt autograph. I searched up his autograph. It looks pretty much the exact same as this. Anyway, I had to just pick up the camera right now. I was just about to go out and run errands, but whatever. Boys, oh my god. And if it's someone effing with me, that's gonna actually, shoot, that's gonna suck. And then I'm just gonna look like an idiot for getting so excited. Anyway, back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Yeah, SteveWillDoIt, maybe, hopefully. I just watched that back and I don't know what the hell I just said, but I'm gonna keep it in because it was my actual reaction. Boys, summing it up. Got a package, didn't know what it was, opened it up, which I don't usually do, you know what I mean? But like lately it's once again been scary. Y'all sent me a lot of crap. But then I found this, boys. Once again, I don't know if y'all are screwing with me or what, but I actually did see his autograph online. It's the first thing I did before filming my reaction to see if it like adds up a little bit. It freaking does. I don't know why he would give this to me. If you guys don't know SteveWillDoIt, he's like blowing up on Instagram and stuff like that. I used to watch him a ton. I don't really want. I shouldn't say this in the video in case he actually did send this. Steve, I love you. I just don't have time for YouTube right now. I'm a married man, and then my girl sees me watching it. She's like, "Wow, you're still a child," and I'm like, "Yeah, you have no idea. I'm also boozed up right now. I'm hiding it from you." I'm totally joking. Anyway, last minute video, boys. We're just gonna see what this is. Worst case scenario, somebody's screwing with me and sent me a freaking finger, which I will throw up from, so let's hope that's not the case. But boys, I don't know. I feel like that was all that's in it. I checked it a couple times. I feel like maybe it would have said like some full send stuff. I don't know why he would send anything like that. I'm just excited to open it. One thing I will say, I did make a Nelk Boy video the other day, but I was buying their fake merch online. But I did burn it after because I don't support it, so I don't know. Maybe that's why. I don't freaking know, boys. Back in action. Thumbs up, comment down below. It sounds like jewelry. Maybe I shouldn't shake it. That could be broken glass too. Oh shit. Okay, good. Let's get into it. Quick ad. This video is brought to you by NameBranFam.com, boys. Link is down below. We've got mystery boxes on there. Guess what? They're only $24.99. You're guaranteed to get more value out of the money you spent or something like that. I'm not really good at pitching these things, but it's super dope, bro. Somebody who orders one of the mystery boxes is either gonna get a PS5 or an Xbox Series X, and we also got free jewelry on there with the link down below. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You can add 2 free jewelry pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. Yeah, good marketing. Alright, boys, we're back. I swear to God, I haven't peeked yet. It's been so hard. SteveWillDoIt, it says. I actually looked. I think that's LLC. I was searching up his Instagram, see if he had any merch or something maybe he was sending, but LLC, I'm pretty sure is what that is. Okay, let's get into it. Boys, best case scenario, we got a chain in here or something, or we got a ring. Ring would be the best case scenario. I love my rings. Or we just have a little note that says, as long as this is from Steve, we got a sick title, and that's just sick, but I doubt it is. I think it's probably someone screwing with me, and that's what I kind of pondered off camera a little bit. You guys really F with me a lot, so call me gullible, but no, I'm just a nice guy that trusts you guys for no reason. Anyway, please thumbs up, comment. Boys, let's get into it. I want to build up this moment a little bit more, but there's nothing else to talk about, bro. I got this in the mail. I don't know, now I'm getting sketched up. Okay, I'm gonna look at it first, and then I'll give you guys the reveal. It's a chain! Oh, it's got a pendant. Okay, sick. I mean, the hell? 925. So this is a silver chain. Okay. There's the box. No. Is somebody screwing me, bro? Pendant. So I'm just so excited. I hope this is from him, bro. I could go there and I could move to LA and then I could get banned from everywhere there. I'm banned from here, so I can't do anything. It's tangled. Okay, what the hell is this? Oh boy. The hell is it? It's a freaking lady wiener! Dude, is this from him? It's a freaking lady wiener, dude! Oh my god! Is this part of his merch? Did somebody just send this to me? I don't know if y'all are effing with me, bro. This might be the coolest pendant I've ever seen in my life. Can I even have that on YouTube? Okay, it's metal, boys. Like, relax. Actually, it's silver to be exact. That's sick! But also, there's no diamond, so I can't diamond test it. Oh god, how do I reach out to their demon ass? That's embarrassing. Now I'm gonna have to be like, yo, hey, so got a package in the mail that said it's from Steve. Can you confirm this, please, sir? I don't know if I want to do that. Boys, you let me know if that has any tie to him. I don't know what the hell this means. I mean, it does scream Steve will do it, I guess. It's a little, well, yeah, what do you, a little taco, you know what I mean? A little ham wallet. What else I got? Meat locker. A little name brand right here. Oh my God. I actually don't even care if it's from him anymore, bro. I just really want to wear this thing now. This is my new favorite piece. I can't wait to go to family dinners with this. Hey, Grandma. Hey, Brad, what's the new piece you're wearing? It's a puss. A what? A meat locker, Grandma. It's fine. A what? She can't hear too well, so I think we'll be all right. Oh my God, this is my. Oh, dude. Thank you. Thank you, Steve. I doubt it's from him, but thank you whoever sent this. This made my year. This is awesome. I need a wiener one now. Yeah, I think this is sick. I mean, it's real silver. If somebody sent this to me, please let me know so I don't think that Steve will do it's now watching my videos. He wouldn't. Oh, this is all sounding stupid now. And his friends with 6ix9ine, who I do a lot of videos on, but I buy his fake jewelry and make fun of him, even though I actually kind of dig his music. This is all coming full circle, and I think I'm wrong, but who knows? I've got it tangled. I don't know how you do that. There's the unboxing. This very well could be, but I assume if it really was, maybe there would be like a full send card or like something like that. And maybe not packed in a bubble mailer. I don't know. I'm confused. I'm concerned. Check it out, boys. There, I should stop holding that up to the camera. I'm stoked. Yes! Thank you guys for watching. I hope you didn't let me down on the. Actually, just tell me if you sold it or sent it to me, bro. Actually, just do it. If you did, and you let me know, then you won't get blocked. If you don't let me know, everyone's getting freaking blocked. The channel's getting shut down because nobody's being real with me. Unless it was Steve. Bye. I think I went to tell my boys. I don't have many of those anymore, but I'm just kidding. I'm stoked, okay.